Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to get a grip on your finances and see exactly where your money is going, all in one sleek Notion workspace? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your own expense tracker in Notion using a professionally designed free template. Whether you're looking to organize personal spending or keep tighter tabs on your business expenses, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started, tailor the tracker to your needs, and start logging expenses with confidence. Let's jump right in. We're going to use a template for this demo, and honestly, this is a huge time saver. When you start from a template, you get a polished, professional look right out of the box, plus all the tracking categories and formatting are done for you. Think of it like moving into a new apartment that's already furnished. You can live in it right away, but you can still rearrange things however you want later. On your Notion homepage, look towards the top left. There's a little drop-down menu with more options hiding there. Click on that. Sometimes it's easy to miss if you're new to Notion, so take a moment to find it. Once you're in, scroll down to the Browse Templates section. There's a huge variety here, but for today, go ahead and type Expense Tracker into the search bar. You'll see a list of templates pop up, so skim through and pick one that catches your eye. Some have minimalist designs, others are colorful. It's really just personal preference at this stage, so don't stress too much about making the perfect choice. You can always switch it up later. Once you've picked the template you like most, select it and then hit the Add button. Now you've got a ready-made expense tracker in your Notion workspace. This part might take a few moments, depending on your internet connection, so if you don't see it instantly, don't worry. Notion will take care of setting everything up behind the scenes. Now comes the fun part, making it your own. Dive into the new page, and you'll see spaces to add your credentials, like your name or business info, and even a spot for some creative flair if you want. Before you start adding expenses, I recommend customizing a few things. Maybe you want categories that fit your lifestyle or business, like travel, office supplies, subscriptions, or groceries, or maybe you want a certain look, with icons or colors that make the tracker feel more personal. Notion makes all these adjustments super simple. Just click on any field or label and you can rename, move things around, or add new columns if you need. It's a bit like decorating your own dashboard. Choose what helps you stay organized and ignore what doesn't. When you're ready, start logging your expenses. Try adding a couple test entries, let's say a coffee from your favorite cafe or a new software subscription. Fill in every detail. The amount, category, date, any notes that will help you remember what it was for. The more you can write down now, the easier it'll be to track patterns over time. And that's really it. You now have a professional expense tracker set up in Notion, custom fit to your needs and ready to help you manage your personal or business spending more efficiently. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up, drop any questions or your own customization tips in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.